Jimmy Bell in town, Lordy walking round. He got greenback and a sweet baby, make a man a stew, make a man a stew, make a man a stew. He got greenback and a sweet baby, make a man a stew. Jimmy Bell told his sister, all you need not to shout. If you don't pay your monthly fee, I wanna turn you out. Wanna turn you out. Wanna turn you out. If you don't pay your monthly fee, wanna turn you out. Jimmy Bell in the pulpit, the Bible in his hand. Or them sisters sitting back in the corner crying, Jimmy Bell, my man. Jimmy Bell, my man. Jimmy Bell, my man. Or them sisters sitting back in the corner crying, Jimmy Bell, my man. Jimmy Bell told his section, go and turn the bell. Cause some of these old members here sure is going to hell. Sure is going to hell. Sure is going to hell.